Tucked behind your stomach and in front of your spine, the pancreas is a 6-inch long, tadpole-shaped gland. It's a double agent, part of both your digestive and hormonal systems. Think of it as a factory with two production lines. One makes enzymes to break down food, the other pumps out hormones to control blood sugar. When you eat, your pancreas produces 1 to 4 liters of enzyme-rich juice to break down food. This juice contains amylase to digest carbohydrates, lipase to break down fats, protease to digest proteins. These enzymes travel through ducts and mix with bile from the liver, helping to break down food in the small intestine. Special cells present in pancreas called islets of Langerhans release 2 key hormones, insulin and glucagon, to keep your blood sugar balanced. If blood sugar is high, pancreas produces insulin hormone to lower blood sugar level. If blood sugar is low, pancreas produces glucagon hormone to raise blood sugar level. Without these hormones, your body wouldn't be able to regulate energy properly, leading to conditions like diabetes. Let's tour the pancreas. Head the right side, snuggled next to your small intestine. Body and neck, the middle bridge. Tail, the skinny left end, waving at your spleen. It's lighter than your smartphone, just 90 grams. Unfortunately, when the pancreas malfunctions, serious health issues can arise. These include diabetes type 1 and type 2, caused by insulin imbalances, pancreatitis, inflammation of the pancreas, often due to gallstones or alcohol consumption, pancreatic cancer, one of the deadliest cancers, often detected too late. Watch out for these warning signs of pancreas-related disorders: abdominal pain, back pain, unexplained weight loss, fatigue, yellowing of the skin, jaundice, frequent urination, and extreme thirst. Surprisingly, you can survive without a pancreas, but you'd need to take digestive enzyme pills and insulin injections for the rest of your life. Protect your pancreas with these tips. Eat less fried food. Limit booze. Your pancreas hates hangovers. Exercise to dodge type 2 diabetes. Quit smoking. It's the one avoidable risk for cancer. 1 in 3 pancreatic cancers are linked to smoking. Your pancreas is one of the most important organs in your body. By maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you can keep it functioning well and avoid serious health problems.